sleeves and then kind of see where we're at and decide if I want darts or what. Maybe a little tight. Let's just button all the way up. Let's see. Here it is, all buttoned up. I do have pants underneath this, so let me take these pants off and see how I'm feeling. Okay, here it is without the pants, which I think helps. I am getting like some gappage here, so I'm not sure how to avoid that. But I mean, it fits. I need to stare at it for a while. Okay, this is what I'm feeling. So, I like it. I wish I had more room to play with because I guess I didn't cut it big enough. Like I wish I could go smaller instead of feeling like I'm stuck where I am, which is fine. I do think in like the lower back area, I need to add some sort of dart because it's a little bunchy there. Lots of fabric is there. I've never done a dart like that before, so I'm just gonna wing it, but it's not gonna involve cutting. So worst case scenario, it looks horrible, I seam rip it, we're fine. And then I just need to figure out the bottom part. Then I'm gonna do little sleeves to it. So that's the plan. I'm hopeful I'm gonna love it when it turns out. Right now, I'm feeling like a little discouraged because I cut it too small, which I hate because that's annoying. And you can't go back. I mean, I could add like a seam panel, like a side panel. I feel like that would just look kind of dorky. So it's good. We're learning. We're making mistakes. We're getting messy. If I didn't make mistakes, I would not become a better sewist. So I'm glad I made a mistake so I can learn from it. I'm gonna mess with some darts and see what I can figure out. Peace out. Okay, these darts are hella janky. I obviously did not use the right of dart for like the back. I used a dart as if it was for the bust. Yeah, so it's a little crazy. But one thing that I was not liking is how it looked kind of in my front area where my belly was, and especially with the stripes, it kind of made that illusion even more. So I ended up really hating this dress. Yeah, but don't worry, we're gonna fix it eventually. So to distract myself from the fact that I might have to turn this into a shirt, I just decided to go ahead and make the sleeves. For the sleeves, I ended up doing a puff sleeve. It's kind of on the longer side of a puff sleeve. For this, I just used a very generic puff sleeve pattern, hemmed it, sewed it up, and then I gathered the top, which you'll see here in a second. Okay, I added the sleeves on. They're too long and I haven't put the elastic in yet, so they're gonna be like here, but I love how the sleeves look. I'm really happy with that. I still can't decide if I wanna just like make this a dress and figure out a way to loosen the waist area, or do I turn it into a shirt? Hey, so it's been like a week and I haven't finished this dress yet, and I really want to. So we're gonna finish it today. I have a couple of ideas of what to do to fix the tightness of it. So I'm gonna look at it again and figure out what I wanna do. Okay, so I did not film a lot of this process, but if you saw in that clip a little bit earlier, basically what I decided to do is take apart the cuff of the sleeve to get some more fabric. I sewed those two pieces together so I had one long strip. I seam ripped the sides, and then I ended up adding like a triangle of fabric into the sides to kind of help make up for how tight it was. This part was really frustrating for me because I kept on messing up on stuff, so that's why there's really not a lot of footage. But in the end, spoiler, it did end up working. So I am really happy with how it turned out, and I can't wait for you to see the results. All right, here is the before and the after. Oh my gosh, we did it. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for hanging in there with me. This was a struggle for me. I got frustrated so many times. In fact, towards the end, there wasn't really a lot of footage because I just didn't feel like filming because everything was going wrong. But I am happy with how it looks in the end. I'm gonna play around with how I want to style it. I definitely love it with my pink tubes, which are the shoes that I was wearing. I'm thinking like maybe belt. I definitely want some really fun, like loud pink earrings. But yeah, I thought this was a fun first project for me to do on this channel. There will be more stuff like this coming in the future, hopefully with maybe not so many frustrations. But overall, I really enjoyed doing this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time.